what's this place called? Tioga Falls. Okay, so we're at Tioga Falls, and right now we're gonna just do a little hike or whatever. Yeah, look. Oh, that's not a trail. Okay, so it feels really good outside, and so we're just gonna go ahead and start walking.
We thought this road was closed, but it's not actually. Tioga Falls Trail, keep around.
Obviously it's not summer, so it's not all pretty outside, but look guys, it's just kind of this little stream that we have going on, and then it's actually really peaceful. Hey Carly. This pretty little waterfall. It's a little baby one.
Okay, you guys, we don't know when dark is.
We'll just come back when it's dark. Okay guys, so right now I am climbing. This is what we got ahead of us. Let's fucking get it. We are at the middle of Tioga Falls, and this is already the view that we have. Wow. Okay guys, so we still have to go up that huge hill right there. Okay, bye.
What do we see on here? Oh, almost fell.
Okay. Bro, this is just so cool. Oh my god! Alright, we still got more to go.
Yep. Cute little yellow flowers.
Oh my god, those are so cute.
Yeah, we're like super high up in these mother effing places. Oh my god. Crazy. Not gonna lie, this trail is really rough.
Yeah, it really is fun.
But it's okay. It is okay. Look at that. Whew. Hey, watch my step. If you fell down there, you're gone. We're good. Can you all hear that waterfall? Like literally, guys, I'm excited to be like there. Oh! So scary.
I'm scared of heights. Kind of scared. But honestly, that is so fucking far down. Bro, this is so fucking far down. It feels good. I feel great now.
Me too. Oh, I'm fine right now.
Oh, okay. Y'all check out this fit going on. Got the tank top, got the jacket. Bro, we're literally like twinning. Oh shit. Got the leggings. Got the Adidas. Got the fanny pack Adidas. You already fucking know. I'm just joking. Bro, my face. I was like, yes. Yeah, look at this fucking tree though. What the fuck?
The phone?
Oh shit.
I wish it was zooming in.
Let's get close. We'll zoom in one. I tried to zoom in. I don't think it zooms in on my front. Why?
Hey guys, we made it. Oh. Look at the waterfall, it's so pretty. We're here, we're at the waterfall. Hey guys, so I forgot to film an outro. Well, I didn't actually forget, my phone died, so I couldn't film my outro. So I'm just gonna go ahead and film it now. So just like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'm gonna go ahead and link Carly's YouTube in the description below. Share if you want to, whatever. See y'all later. Peace out.